Alright, check this out. Want text that auto sizes to fit within certain constraints like this? The AutoText package automatically resizes text to fit perfectly within its bounds. To start using it, add AutoSizeText to your pubspec.yaml. Then import it. Add it to your app by adding the AutoSizeText widget to your widget tree. Then give it some text to display and a style as well. When you're changing the text will actually adjust in size to fit your given constraints. You can also add an overflow to show when the text exceeds the maximum amount of text it can show. In order to make this work, you must also specify the minimum font size too. There are other overflow styles too, such as clip and fade. Adding a step granularity allows the font to decrease and increase by the step count. In this case, it's 10. You can even specify a preset font size to force the text to a certain font size given the amount of text. Adding overflow replacement allows you to display a widget when the max amount of text that can be shown is exceeded. And finally, you can even use text bands with this widget by using the .rich constructor. This allows you to specify different texts with specific styles for each text. And that's it. For more information about AutoSizeText, visit pub.dev/packages/AutoSizeText. Hey guys, it's Avinath from the Colombo Flutter community, and thanks so much for watching this week's Package of the Week. We are always hard at work trying to promote Flutter within our community and worldwide through our YouTube channel. We are coming out with brand new content and have some amazing plans to show to you soon. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, thanks for watching. And we'll try not to be late next time.